Hello, my name is Jose Manuel. Welcome to my personal video presentation evidence. Here is a short introduction about my daily life, qualities, and family. About me, my qualities. City. I live in my brilliant city of Medellin. Key qualities. My main personal values are honesty, comradeship, and punctuality. Interested. I really enjoy learning about technology and exploring new ideas. The life and hobby. Sports. I love playing football every single day with passion. School. I really enjoy going to school and sharing great moments with my friends. Routine. Staying active and hanging out with my friends makes my days exciting. Cheating. My family and activities. With my brother. I live with my parents and my brother. In my time, my brother and I usually play video games together and have fun. With my parents. My parents support me every day in my education. At home, I practice my English skills with my parents to improve my communication. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.